Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Nicole here from My Pretty Charmed Life, and I am bringing to you on release day some of the beads that OHM is releasing today, as well as a very special bead of mine that is releasing tomorrow. So before we get into Kickin Peaches, I wanted to show you some designs I did with her since I've already unboxed her with you guys. I do want to show you what else OHM is coming out with for May. And again, these ones are available starting today, April 30th, on ohmbeads.com, and they have just a couple of pieces. Here is one of the glass beads. This one is called Fairy Wren. This is an Australia exclusive and has some gorgeous colors throughout this glass bead. And then you have those little like bubbles in there, which I think are stunning. The way it catches the light sometimes. I just actually really like this bubble effect. It's like a good substitution for glitter. And you see those colors that are popping through this glass bead? I feel like there's oranges, but then like hints of purple in there too. So gorgeous. I haven't even designed with this, you guys. I don't know about you, but life has been crazy. Trying to figure out work from home, how to keep my daughter entertained without being able to go places. It's been a little nutty. But yeah, here you go. That is Fairy Wren. So beautiful. I love it. This is one that I might need a second glass bead of. Okay, the next bead is an OHM Lab project bead, and I actually already have it designed because I was really excited to pair Catfish with Marble the Pony Canthus, which was a previous Mystery release. And then I just love Jamie the Jellyfish. Jamie the Jellyfish was the bead of the month back in September, and I just love her. And these glass beads that kind of came with her with the little jellyfish inside. Oh my gosh. So anytime I get to do like a sea creature theme with Jamie the Jellyfish, I get really excited. So here we have Catfish. It's so cute. OHM has a really fun story behind Catfish, but I actually really was obsessed with, did you guys watch that MTV show called Catfish where people would like online date and they were getting catfished with when they were like weren't using their real pictures? Sorry, I laugh. I just loved that show. It was my guilty pleasure. And then I love the hosts of it too. So when I saw they were coming out with a bead called Catfish, I was like, what is it gonna be? But this one's literally part cat, part fish, which if you know anything about Marble Pony Campus, he's part horse, part fish as well. And then, of course, you gotta pair it up with the Waterish Spacers. You gotta. It's a water bracelet. So there you go. This is how I designed with Catfish. Let's just take a look at him one more time. Yeah, he's pretty cool. I like him a ton. Okay, then that's it, you guys. Their release is really small. Last month was really big. So if you've seen my previous video, if you've been following me on Instagram, then you know that I was able to collab with OHM to create my very own dream bead, which is Kickin Peaches. I have always wanted a female ninja chick bead, and you just don't, it's like hard enough to find a ninja bead, more or less to find one that's a girl, right? And I am like all about being like a strong woman and being independent and kicking butt in everything I do. So thanks to OHM, they brought my dream to life in May's Mystery bead special limited edition by OHM, Kickin Peaches. Only 111 made. I have an OHM edition, and I'm hoping to be able to buy more of this bead come Friday, April 1st at 10 a.m. Pacific time. Definitely, I'm so excited for the launch of this bead, and I hope you guys love her. And I know I do. It just means so much to me, just the meaning behind it. So again, I go into detail on that in my previous video. And so for now, I really just wanted to take the time to show you some design ideas that I did with Kickin Peaches. One of the things I knew that I really wanted to do with her is to put her with the unicorny glass beads. These glass beads were my first ohm glass beads that I ever owned, and they are they're what made me fall in love with Ohm's glass beads, and so I have her centered in between them for just a simple design. I like how when you look sideways, like she's kind of sticking out. You can kind of see her. So there she is with unicorny. Actually, before we move on, I do want to just like take a couple minutes to appreciate some of the detail that they put in here that was like very important to me. And one was the ninja star. I love the ninja stars. I love stars in general. Ninja stars are awesome too. And I really wanted her to be fighting with the ninja star. You know, whatever battles she had, I wanted her to be well equipped with a ninja star. And I needed her to have eyelashes. You can see they did a really good job making her eyelashes. Love, love, love. Then in the back, she has a sword, and the inspiration came from a tattoo that I have. I'll go ahead and insert a picture so you can see it. But my ninja girl tattoo has a sword. And then I needed her to have a ponytail, so you can see her ponytail sticking out right there. Absolutely in love. I've had so much fun designing with her. I'll go ahead and show you another design here now too. Now this design might be a little controversial because of my little word block choices, but I also thought it was really fitting, and I just love these word blocks. By the way, this was one of my first, it was either my first or second order that I ever got from OHM, and I just love that OHM adds a little bit of edge to everything that they do because I just appreciate that kind of art. But I really liked this design. It kind of symbolizes, like, I don't know, when things happen that make you go WTF, and you have to just get up and go and conquer whatever it is in your way that's making you say that. So I just really liked to pair her with these little word blocks. I thought it was fitting. And then with these glass beads, I love the colors of those glass beads, so I wanted to pair those together with her. So there you go. A little look at her with WTF and my little F-bomb over there. Again, not a design for everyone, but I think it helps bring out the badassery, as someone mentioned in my little ninja chick, Kickin Peaches. My final design is this one right here, and it is very much inspired by two of my IG friends, Daily Charm Addict and PR Girl. And PR Girl mentioned how she might want to get a leather for Kickin Peaches, and one of my other friends, Daily Charm Addict, said how she needed Big Fat Killer Bee to be paired with Kickin Peaches. So I was like, oh my gosh, I need to experiment with this and see how it turns out. And I put it on my Lucky Red OHM whip with my little Who clasp, and oh my goodness, I absolutely love this design. I'm wearing it today. I think it's perfect. I love the pop of red, the tiny little pop of yellow from our killer bee, and you just have this duo. Well, are they friend or foe? They're definitely friends here, and they're ready to go tackle the day together, ready to face whatever challenges are headed their way, and they're ready to kick some major peaches, you guys. So there you go. There's a few design inspiration around Kickin Peaches. Again, thank you so much, OHM, for allowing me this opportunity to create such a special bead. So special. I'm like, I want to cry. I want to pinch myself. I want to do all the things because I can't believe that I have this bead that I was able to co-design with OHM, and I can't believe it launches on May 1st. Oh my gosh. Are you excited? Do you love her? Are you going to try to get her? There are only 111 being made, so I'm hoping everyone who wants one can get one, but I also hope she's really successful and that she sells out. So let me know in the comments below what you think of my Kickin Peaches. Reminder that Catfish and Fairy Wren, where did she go? Where did Fairy Wren go? Over here. Are available as of today. Kickin Peaches available tomorrow. If you are a first-time OHM purchaser, I will include my discount code in the description of this video so you can get 11% off your first purchase. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I want to know what you think of Kickin Peaches. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next time.